All right, guys. Now again, we will continue our previous discussions, and this is the continuations from our discussion last time. So, construction to commissioning. So now I will discuss with this from commissioning to operations RFXO dosers. So RFXO dosers, I will share this small discussions so that everyone you will know from the start up to end. Okay. So what is the dosers index? Okay, for the RFSU. So you need to put this certificates RFSO system certificate. Okay. Then system identification. This is system, subsystem, okay, on first system and markup drawings. Also, we have PANS list, which is we captured PANS list during our inspection verifications of our system and subsystem. Of course, if you have piping, vessels, like these reports to be attached in your dosers, mechanical pumps, motor, rotating, and any reports and preservations. So this is what I experienced, guys. Some of the personnel in oil industry, any industry that didn't know what is dosers. So you should know about the dosers. So what is inside of the dosers? You need to prepare the index because managers this is the this is their requirements. They're looking for the whole documents in order to submit and to hand over. Okay? So dosers index, this continuations for our RFHO. We have electrical functional test sets. So all the testing, all the report must be there. Okay? Instrumentation functional test sets, telecom, test procedures, vendor SAT or any OTP miscellaneous reports, FAT sites, and OTP calibration certificates, inhibit, etc. So this is all the requirements in our dosers index. Then you need to submit and any comment from the client or if you are the clients you comment whatever you found any missing documents to be required to submit, then inform the contractor so that it will update through online or actual submittal. It depends. All right, it depends on the project where you are right now. So this is the whole example, guys, for our RFHO for our dosers index. So see you in next presentations, guys, and check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.